How do you recognize signs of a dog with a broken bone? As pet owners, it's our responsibility to ensure the health and well-being of our furry friends. Sometimes accidents happen, and our beloved dogs may end up with a broken bone. Recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken bone is crucial for providing them with the necessary care and treatment. In this video, we will discuss the common signs and symptoms of a broken bone in dogs and the appropriate steps to take. 1. Changes in behavior. One of the initial signs that your dog might have a broken bone is changes in their behavior. If you notice that your usually active and energetic dog is suddenly more lethargic, hesitant to move, or reluctant to bear weight on a specific limb, it could indicate a broken bone. Dogs in pain might also exhibit signs of aggression or unusual irritability. Therefore, it's essential to pay attention to any significant changes in their behavior. 2. Swelling or deformities. Physical signs such as swelling or deformities are usually evident if a dog has a broken bone. Observe the affected limb carefully for any noticeable swelling, bruising, or a misshapen appearance. Keep in mind that some injuries might not be as obvious, especially if it's an internal fracture. It's always best to seek professional veterinary care if you suspect a broken bone, even if you don't notice any physical abnormalities. 3. Whimpering or yelping. Dogs, like humans, experience pain when they have a broken bone. If your dog is whimpering, yelping, or crying out in pain when touched or when attempting to move, it's a strong indication of an injury. They might also react with aggression if you try to approach the injured area. Take note of any sounds of discomfort your dog makes, as it can help your veterinarian diagnose the problem more accurately. 4. Abnormal limb movement. Another clear sign that your dog might have a broken bone is abnormal limb movement or limited range of motion. Watch for any visible lameness or favoring of a particular leg. If your dog is holding a limb off the ground, keeping it stiff, or refusing to put weight on it, it could suggest a fracture. Some dogs may exhibit a dragging or swinging motion while walking due to the pain caused by a broken bone. 5. Bleeding or open wound. In severe cases, a broken bone might result in bleeding or an open wound. If you notice any bleeding, try to apply gentle pressure to control it while seeking immediate veterinary attention. It's crucial to remember that not all fractures will result in open wounds, especially if it's an internal break. However, any visible signs of bleeding should prompt urgent medical care. When you suspect that your dog has a broken bone, it's essential to take immediate action to prevent further complications. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Limit movement. If you believe your dog has a broken bone, it's crucial to limit their movement to prevent further injury. Handle them gently and avoid putting any pressure on the affected area. 2. Seek veterinary care. Schedule an appointment with your veterinarian as soon as possible. They can examine your dog and confirm if a bone is broken or if another issue is causing the symptoms. X-rays and other diagnostic tests may be necessary to assess the severity and location of the fracture. 3. Follow the treatment plan. If a fracture is confirmed, your veterinarian will recommend the appropriate treatment plan. This may include immobilization with a splint or cast, pain management medication, and rest. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to realign the broken bone. 4. Provide comfort and care. During the healing process, it's essential to provide your dog with a comfortable and safe environment. Follow your veterinarian's instructions regarding wound care, medication administration, and activity restrictions. Ensure your dog receives adequate rest and nutrition to support their recovery. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken bone is crucial for providing them with the necessary care. Paying attention to changes in behavior, physical abnormalities, and signs of pain can help ensure an early diagnosis and proper treatment. Remember to seek professional veterinary care if you suspect a broken bone, and always follow your veterinarian's instructions for the best outcome. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for guidance and support during this challenging time.